In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up TradingView for crypto. By the end, you'll have a clean, focused chart that makes it easier to read trends, structure, and entries without getting lost in clutter. First, head to the TradingView website and create your account. You can sign up quickly with Google or use your email if you prefer. The free plan is perfectly fine to start, and it includes everything we need for this setup. Once you're in, you'll land on the charting interface, which is where we'll do all the work. Next, let's open a crypto chart. At the top, you'll see the main search bar. Type in BTC/USDT for Bitcoin priced in a dollar-pegged stablecoin. You can also look up ETH/USDT for Ethereum, or SOL/USDT and XRP/USDT if you want alternatives. When the results appear, pick the listing from an exchange you trust so prices match what you actually follow. Now set the correct time frame so your analysis has structure. Use the drop-down along the top of the chart to switch timeframes. Start with the 1D view to understand the overall trend direction. Then move down to 4H to see market structure, like higher highs, lower lows, and key swing points. Finally, drop to 15M or 5M when you're planning precise entries. This top-down approach keeps you aligned with the bigger picture while timing decisions more accurately. Let's adjust the chart style so it's easy on the eyes and useful. Change the chart type to candlesticks since they show open, high, low, and close clearly. If you prefer dark mode, turn it on for better contrast, especially during long sessions. Clean up any clutter by hiding elements you don't actively use, so the price action and indicators stand out. Time for indicators. Click the Indicators button, often marked with an FX icon. Search for Exponential Moving Average and add it twice. Open the settings of the first EMA and set the length to 50. This tracks the intermediate trend and helps you see momentum shifts. For the second EMA, set the length to 200. It defines the major trend and acts like a long-term roadmap. Consider giving each EMA a distinct color to tell them apart at a glance. Then add RSI, the Relative Strength Index. Keep its default settings and use it to gauge momentum. Strong trends often keep RSI on one side of the midline. That's it. You've created a streamlined crypto chart with clear timeframes, candlesticks, and a simple, powerful trio of indicators. Keep practicing this workflow, and your analysis will become faster, clearer, and more confident.